Hi guys, it's me again. This is Tim from Redwolf Airsoft, and he is going to tell us something more about the latest products.
Right. Right.
Okay.
The first thing will be the Agency Arms IWA licensed version of the Urban Combat Slide Kit. If you look down here, it comes in a triangular, beautiful box. This set will come with a slide, an aluminium slide, a trigger and magwell, the front and rear sight, a stainless steel outer barrel, and Airsoft surgeon made the frame from scratch, did the stippling and put it as a whole gun, and it feels great.
Look nice.
It looks pretty good. And it racks smoothly as well. You don't really need much lubrication, just slide it on there. If you don't know how to put one together, IWA have a video on how to do it all together. So it should be fine.
And what is suggested retail price for that package?
The package, there are two versions. There's the black anodized version, the black anodized slide, and that will be $295 US. And the Agency Gray Cerakoted version, that will be $375. There are only two companies out there in the world that know the Agency color, and that is Blown Deadline in America and RWA in Hong Kong. Have you seen one of these before? Everybody's seen one of these, and they've been wanting an Airsoft version of one of these for the longest time. This is the Tokyo Marui AA12 AEG. Not gas blowback, sorry guys, but it is an AG form. It comes with a 93 round magazine with a knocker at top, so all BBs are fed, but it doesn't cancel it. You can still keep on shooting when there are still no BBs. Polymer body, everything you see in silver is metal apart from the charging handle. And this is the cool thing, if you pull the charging handle back, there are 3 adjustment dials, meaning there are 3 hop-ups, right? The 2 ones on the side, they don't lift the BB, they actually spread them at a 45-degree angle. So you can get more, you get more spread. You get to shoot 30 BBs per second, meaning you can run out of BBs in 3 seconds. This is the GHK AUG GBBR. Polymer body.
If I recall good, we told the Maxim that this is the first time in the world that somebody made this model in gas blowback rifle.
Yes, this is the first time they've ever made a gas blowback AUG, and I was very excited for it. We received news ages ago, and I couldn't tell anybody, but it's amazing. This is a 30-round magazine, but we only suggest using 26, 27 rounds, because with GHK magazines, you can't fill it to the top, or else it won't feed very well. It won't shoot very well. So around 26, 27 BBs. So we got a metal outer barrel, a times 1.5 scope with a circular reticle.
Like the real one.
Like the real one. Ready, mag release, right underneath. And the hop-up is very interesting. Realistic takedown can be found here.
It's very easy to adjust.
Yes, really easy to adjust. But honestly, if I were to adjust the hop-up very little at a time, I'm going to have to take it out, put it back in, take it out.
Once you adjust it, it stays like this and there is no problem.
Exactly.
Have you field tested?
I have.
Yeah.
Yes, it feels amazing. There is a 2-stage trigger. If you have the safety protruding on the far left side, that's semi. All the way is full auto. Yeah. And full auto feels really good.
Have you ever shot the real one?
I have not shot the real one, but I've shot the real TAR-21.
Yeah.
It was amazing. It was a lot of fun. I don't get to shoot real guns in Hong Kong. Unfortunately.
But if you come to Srbija, you can also shoot real guns.
I'm sure there are many other countries around the world I get to shoot real guns.
We made a video where we take the real AK made by Zastava M70, I'm sorry, and the SEMA 048S model, and we compare. It's 90% similar.
90%?
Yes.
Ah.
And we shoot SEMA and we shoot after the Zastava. And it's
big difference.
Yes.
Big difference.
Yes. The kick from AKs.
Well, if I was an opportunity to go to Serbia, I would be happy to shoot some real guns.
We will take you to our shooting range. It's called Mush, Pozdrav za Pantu, and you can shoot from anything, from Desert Eagle, from Berettas, from Colts, from anything.
I think that's a promise, right?
Yes, yes. And I'm calling you, come with Mr. Maxim. Coming for us. This is Tovarish Maxim. Hi guys. And I'm asking him if he has time to come with you, and we're go to shooting range in Serbia and we can shoot from the real guns. Shoot each other. No, each other.
Hey, this is not the Hunger Games.
Not yet. Thank you. You're very kind. I hope you visit us in Serbia.
We'll see how things go, alright?
Thank you.
See you guys on their channel.
Bye.